Alright guys, welcome back. We're going to be solving another question from the third chapter of Meriam textbook, question 6. And in this question we have the 2 kilogram homogeneous smooth sphere rests on 2 inclines as shown, and we need to determine the contact forces at point A and B. So as always, we're going to start with the free body diagram. So what we have in here, we have 2 different normal forces at point A and B. We can call it NA, and this will be NB, which will be perpendicular to the perimeter of this sphere, so we can call this NB. The other force that we have in here is the weight of this sphere, which we know is 20 kilograms. So if you want to show the weight, we can just show it like that, and we'll have W, which is M times G, and G will be 9.81 meter per square second, which will be the acceleration of gravity for Earth. So let's call our X and Y axis here. This will be our X and this will be our Y, and we have 2 different normal forces, which will be these 2 that we were discussing. So this will be one of them, where we call it NA, and we have to figure out some angles in here, and the other one would be what we have in here, which will be NB. Yeah, I wrote NA in here too, so it will be NB. So before jumping into our equilibrium equation, where we have sum of all forces equal 0 and sum of all moments equal to 0, let's figure out the angles that we have in here. So we're going to use the trick that we discussed over and over in the channel for finding the angles in here. That trick was when we have 2 angles like that, where each side is perpendicular to the other one. These 2 angles are the same. So we can use the same trick in here to find the angles that we are looking for. So let's start with this one. So we have this angle here, which we need to figure out, which will be similar to this angle here. And it's easy to find this angle here because we know this one is 75, this is right angle, and basically we get 15 degrees for that one, which will be 15 degrees in here. So this angle is known, 15 degrees now, and pretty much the same thing in here. If we want to find this angle, you know, will be perpendicular to this one and this one. So this angle is 30 degrees, meaning this one over here is 30 degrees. So that one 30 degrees and this one 15 degrees, and that's pretty much all we need for this question. After finding the angles, it's pretty easy to use our equilibrium equation. So we have sum of all forces equals 0. Obviously we are in 2D question, so we have one equation for X, and the other one is sum of all forces in Y is equal to 0, 2, and we should be able to find the contact forces at A and B at the end of this. So let's start with the sum of all forces in X direction. So we basically have this component of NA as X component, which is positive. So will be NA times cosine of 15 degrees, and we have this component of NB, which will be the negative direction and the angle. So minus NB times, this will be sine of 30 degrees. Since we have the angle with Y direction, it will be sine, or we can go cosine of 60 degrees if we want to go with this angle, which will be 60 degrees. So not that difference is equal to 0. From here we can find the relation between NA and B. We know our NA will be NB sine of 30 degrees over cosine of 15 degrees. So we find NA based on NB, and if we want to do for Fy, we have the Y component of NA, which will be NA this time sine of 15 degrees. And they're both positive, meaning then our NB is also positive since both are upward. So NB will be this time NB cosine of 30 degrees. And there is one more force in Y direction, and that's the weight of this sphere, which we found is 20 kilogram times G, which was 9.81, is equal to 0. All we need to do in here is so we're just going to plug in our NA to the second equation, and we have 2 equations, 2 unknowns. We can figure out NA and NB, and if we calculate that for NA, we get 101.6 Newton, and our NB will be 196.2 Newton. So yeah, that would be the final answer for this question. Let me know if you guys get the same answer for this one. Feel free to drop your questions in the comment section. I'd be happy to answer those. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and comment. It's gonna help me to reach out to more students. And you guys take care. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.